Okay, I'm recording.
Okay. Pretty face.
Planet Mercury. Closest to the sun.
Yeah.
Smallest planet in our solar system. Solid surface.
Solid surface, that's right.
Lots of craters. Like the moon.
Serious, like you're doing at school.
What?
Lucy, no one's here.
What did you say?
Do like you're at school. Be serious.
Okay. Hot during day, cold at night. 1 year, 88 Earth days.
I don't think she can really hear you.
Traveled very fast, sorry. Up. Temperature minus 279 minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. No moon. No. Oh, crap.
No moon.
Yeah, no moon.
Wow, that's cool.
No moon. Oh,
What
crap.
planet has no moon?
Mercury.
Mercury.
I said Mercury. Planet Venus. Earth's sister.
And Anna's favorite planet.
Come on.
Okay, crap. Second planet from the sun. Similar side to Earth. Side. Solid surface. Rotates Earth opposite directions. Hot and deadly. Lots of volcanoes. 1 year. 225 Earth day. Temperature 863 degrees Fahrenheit. Very hot. No moon. No moon.
No moon.
Keep going.
I thought I had a moon right here. Oh well. But Earth no, I'm not gonna say it.
No moon for you.
Planet Earth, our home. It should say Earth. It's supposed to say Venus's brother. Brother.
How do you know it's not Venus's sister?
Because we call it Mother Earth. Mother Earth.
Okay, keep going.
You're right.
Planet Earth, our home. I already said that, didn't I?
Earth is a girl because it has life.
It's a boy.
Keep
It's
going.
a girl because it gave birth.
Don't knock the planets off. Keep reading.
Be careful, those planets will pop off.
Third planet from the sun. I can't see. Fifth largest planet. Solid surface like I'm standing on. Well, sitting on. Sitting on. Supports life with air, water, land. Contains of ocean, continent, atmosphere, sphere, notosphere. That's under us. 1 year, 365 Earth days. Temperature minus 124 to 134 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 moon.
Ariana, no way.
Yeah. Look at that. Ariana.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, bird.
Keep going, Ari. This is already almost 4 minutes long.
Okay. Planet Mars.
You taught me too well.
Thank you.
Keep going.
Okay, be quiet.
Oh, I'm gonna smack you. You know I will.
Oh, the Earth.
Don't laugh.
Earth's fixing to pop off.
Hurry.
Oh crap! Is it
No, hurry up.
Planet Mars? The red planet.
That right there.
Fourth planet from the sun. Smaller than Earth.
Smaller than a pea.
What?
A sweet pea.
CP?
Oh, I was about to say. Don't listen.
I stopped that when you told me that Ryan Seacrest was Simon's son.
I thought she knew I was joking.
Planet Mars, the red planet. Fourth planet from the sun. Smaller than Earth. Oh crap. It's about to fall on me. Solid surface. Mars is rocky, dusty, and dry red iron in the soil. Iron and soil. I didn't know iron was soil.
It has iron in the soil.
Oh. Mars has Wait, what?
Polar.
Polar ice caps.
Very good.
Like Earth. 1 year. 687 Earth Day. Temperature minus 353 to 23 degrees Fahrenheit. 2 moons.
Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
200 degrees to 23 degrees?
Negative.
Negative.
Keep going.
Oh, I'm a donkey. Okay. Planet Jupiter. Tired.
Keep going.
Okay, first planet from the sun is about to fall. Are the planets about to fall?
No, they're good.
Or is
Just
this
keep
planet in our solar system?
Yeah, go for it.
It's a gas planet. When you go from ammonia and water has a red spot, giant spinning storm.
Keep going. No, don't do that.
It's the sound of the storm. They use that.
Mm-hmm.
1 year and 12 Earth years. Temperature minus 234 degrees Fahrenheit. Very cold. 49. What the heck? I sound like something that's
Going.
not lying. I sound like I'm coming back to life though. Planet Saturn. Saturn? It's right there.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Hey, Mommy, I got a joke.
What?
What did Saturn say to Earth?
What?
Wait, what did Earth say to Saturn?
What?
Can I borrow your ring? Get it?
Ha ha ha.
Planet Saturn. The
No.
planet.
I'd be like, so we finally put a ring on it.
Holy
Molly
crap.
hit her head.
Holy crap.
Come here, Molly.
Poor Molly.
Keep going.
6 planets from the sun. But,
Molly girl.
wait. But, second largest planet, but very light. What the heck? Oh, it really is light there. Like when you hold it, it's like light.
Just keep going.
You're not holding the entire freaking planet in your hand.
Keep going.
I'm holding all the planets in their light.
Keep going.
This
No, Molly.
is heavy,
Okay, are you going to keep reading?
dude. Oh, what planet was it on?
Saturn.
Okay. I have to start over now. 6th planet from the sun. Second largest planet, but very light. Gas planet similar to Jupiter. Jupiter. Partier. 7 flat rings made of ice, rocks, and dust. I'm made of dust. Actually, this is dust. I think I might be onto something. 1 year, 29 years. Temperature minus
So much nerd.
20. 288 degrees F.
Keep going.
I almost broke that glass of water over there in the kitchen. Planet Uranus. It's right there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm almost done. Okay. Wow, we're gonna be surprised when she watches this.
Hurry up.
And she can even see it because it's so long.
Oh, I'll show her.
No, it's fine.
Not literally, Jillian.
Planet. Oh wait.
Uranus. You're on Uranus.
Planet Uranus was that on?
Yeah.
7th planet from the sun. 3rd largest planet. Ow. Gas planet, ice, similar to Neptune. Oh, here we go. Pole turn to the sun. Very cold and windy cold place. Cold place.
Your teacher will never think it's something.
356 degrees Fahrenheit, very cold, 27 moon.
You're probably asking to join the choir.
Okay, now on to Neptune. Jilly's favorite planet.
Mm-hmm.
It's on my toe.
Come on.
Right there.
My favorite is Venus because they make amazing razors.
Yeah. Keep going.
Venus is right
Second planet.
here.
Thank you. Okay, now keep going.
Why am I touching blue? Crazy. Wait. That sign means that you're crazy.
Thank you for clarifying.
Eighth planet from the sun. Fourth largest planet. Gas planet. Icy. Windiest planet. In the sun. Thank you.
Very good presentation.
Year is 365 Earth years. Temperature minus 353 degrees of Fahrenheit, very cold. 13 moons. And the last one.
That was the last one.
Pluto, dwarf planet.
You can't improv.
It's the smallest planet in the Earth.
In the Earth?
In the solar system.
You have a planet in the Earth?